that Mr. Narendra Modi is a compromised Prime Minister. See the details of the US-India deal, you will find that no Indian Prime Minister could sign this deal unless he was compromised. He has opened the entire agricultural sector to American farmers. He has given up our energy security to the Americans. Today, India cannot buy oil from who it wants. It has to take permission to buy oil. Prime Minister has also committed to Mr. Trump that he will buy 9 lakh crores of American products every year. Imagine the result of this on our small and medium industry. He has handed over India's entire data to the United States. They can use it and they can store it wherever they want. President Trump insults the Prime Minister of India, publicly says that he can destroy Narendra Modi's career, and Narendra Modi keeps quiet. And the reason is in the Epstein files. There are 3.5 million Epstein files that have not been released. America is using that as a threat against our Prime Minister. And the second issue is Mr. Adani. Donald Trump understands that the entire BJP financial architecture is linked to Mr. Adani. Don't think that Mr. Adani gets ports, airports, cement, infrastructure, companies for free. Adani is not an ordinary company. It is a financial structure. And everybody knows the relationship between Mr. Adani and Mr. Modi. And that is why Donald Trump has placed a case, a criminal case on Mr. Adani in America. And the case is not targeted at Adani. It is targeted at BJP's financial system and Narendra Modi. These are the two reasons why Narendra Modi signed the US deal. And you saw with your own eyes, when I started to raise these points in Parliament, first they did not allow me to speak, and then Narendra Modi ran away from Parliament. Nobody can run away from the truth. Mr. Narendra Modi is going to face the truth. See that the truth of Narendra Modi is going to come out.